The ostrich, Struthiocamelus, is the world's largest and heaviest living bird, native to several countries across Africa. Unlike many birds, ostriches are flightless, but they compensate with remarkable speed, capable of reaching up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. They possess long, muscular legs adapted for running and strong, broad feet with just 2 toes, a unique feature among birds. Adult ostriches stand between 7 to 9 feet, 2.1 to 2.7 meters, tall and can weigh from 220 to 290 pounds, 100 to 130 kilograms. Their large, round eyes are among the biggest of any terrestrial animal, offering them a wide field of vision to detect predators. Ostriches are omnivores, primarily feeding on seeds, shrubs, grass, fruits, and occasionally insects. They have a unique communal nesting system, where a dominant female lays her eggs first, and other females in the group add theirs to the same nest. The bird uses its powerful legs not only for running but also for defense, delivering powerful kicks that can be dangerous to potential threats. Ostrich feathers, once highly prized for fashion and decor, are fluffy and lack the barbules that hold most bird feathers together. In the wild, the ostrich plays an essential role in its ecosystem, aiding in seed dispersal and serving as prey for large predators like lions. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring. Subscribe. World Identify.